So in this video, I'm going to show you a slow motion footage of how a grass string actually vibrates. So now I don't have a slow motion camera, and the guitar string actually vibrates very quickly, and it's not so easy to see its vibrations through the naked eye. And I don't have a slow motion camera, but I can use a simple trick. I'll use a trick that was explained in the video that I had sent you on WhatsApp in the last module, which was the stroboscopic effect. So you don't need to know what that effect is, but yeah, I'll just set the camera settings in such a way that I can get kind of a slow motion footage of what is actually happening when a grass string vibrates. So just have a look at that footage.